What's up, you guys? This is Victor from V&A Furniture. So today we're gonna assemble a twin size bunk bed with the full in the bottom. So it's twin and full, and this is a futon in the bottom. So we're gonna assemble this one. The customer wanted the silver color, so we're gonna do the silver color. We got the things loaded up, and right now we're gonna be on our way to the customer's house. And you guys, look how it turns out. All right. We're gonna build this one right here. It should take us probably like an hour. So we're gonna time lapse this and let's see how long it's gonna take us. So right now it's what, 11? 11, all right? Let's see when we're gonna get done.
Yep.
So these are all the screws. Here's the instructions. So these are instructions right here. Looks like a lot of screws, but been doing this for a while. Might be really easy to assemble. Okay, so let's keep going. You guys, so we're done assembling it. I always recommend do these hand tight and then hit it with the drill. Just make sure all the pieces are good. So you see this, I'm gonna hit it with the drill right now, but this one came out really good. So right now we're just gonna tighten up every single one, bring the mattresses, and we're done with this bunk bed. So let's do that right now. Hey you guys, it's all set. So this is the frame right here. We're just gonna put the mattresses. What time is it, Caesar?
It's 11:35.
Took us 35 minutes. That's good. Okay then, so we're gonna put the mattresses. I'm gonna show you how it looks with the mattresses right now. But everything's all tight. We double checked it. Every little screw on there, and we're good to go. This one right here, this is the futon mattress. Oh man, that's hard. All right. Hold on. Let me. And put it on. Put the futon mattress. Okay. See how it looks. Right now, look how it came out. Came out really nice. Okay, let me see. Let's see, get that side. We're gonna put it down so it could look like a mattress. Let's see how you do it like this. And that's your mattress. Right there. It's nice. Okay. Perfect. Okay, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Peace. Music.